store of value. And as I said, it's
So, diniscuss niya dito yung store value and yung mga countries na nagde-deficit daw or nagde-decline yung currency. And which is true. Because if you're gonna research, one of the countries na nag-adopt ng cryptocurrency is Nigeria. With their people, private sectors, and even the government, they adopted cryptocurrency. Because if you're gonna take a look about their foreign exchange with the US dollar versus yung Nigerian currency, sobrang pababa ng pababa yung value ng Nigerian currency compared to US dollar. Kaya most of the people in Nigeria is buying cryptocurrency or buying Bitcoin. Because Bitcoin, lalo na ngayon mas tumaas pa yung value ng Bitcoin, meron talagang potential on storing the value of their money at the same time